Welcome to PaleriderTV. Yeah, we are back with the video. I know I've had many videos lately. Had some stuff going on, trying to get settled in and everything down here in the Sunshine State. So, latest news just came across my desk. Paccar recalling more than 47,000 Peterbilt and Kenworth 2024-2025 models after discovering a steering related issue. That's not good. A steering gear with the required number of recirculating balls may bind when loads are applied. In some cases, the balls may align on the same side of the gear worm shaft, and concentrated loads may cause the gear's internal parts to fracture, resulting in a loss of vehicle steering. That's not good. You lose your steering, you're going to crash. That's not good. You got to have steering. Steering is an essential part of driving a truck. Yes, it is. There is no audible or visible warning of the defect. All right, now here's the trucks. The following Kenworth trucks are affected by the recall. All model years 2024, 2025. We have the L770, T280, T380, T480, T680. That's probably the most important one. So I've got a 2024, 2025 T680. Have it checked. The T880 and the W990. Peterbilt models involved are 2024, 2025, 389, 520, 535, 537, 548, 567, 579, 589. Paccar dealers will inspect and replace the steering gears as necessary free of charge. All right, now get your pens and papers out. These are some contact numbers you need to call if you have one of these trucks. Contact Peterbilt customer service at 940-591-4220 with recall number 24PBC, or call Kenworth customer service at 425-828-5888 with recall number 24KWC. The National Highway Transportation Safety Administration's recall number for this is 24V-044. So there you have it. Peterbilt or Paccar coming out with a large recall for steering issues. So if you've got any of those vehicles, take it to the dealer. They'll check it, replace if necessary, free of charge. So that's it. Appreciate everybody watching. Everybody have a good day and stay safe.